Ever wondered what makes your computer fast? Meet DDR RAM, the high-speed memory helping your apps run smoothly. But how does it really work? Let's break it down simply. Welcome to our channel where complex topics are made easy. Today we're diving into the world of computers and exploring how DDR RAM, that tiny stick inside your device, helps everything run faster. But first, what is RAM and what is DDR? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's your device's short-term memory. Think of it like the desk in front of you. You keep only the things you need right now on your desk. Same for your computer. RAM holds the data your central processing unit, aka CPU, needs right now. Things like open apps, tabs, or files. So the CPU doesn't have to waste time searching for them. DDR stands for double data rate. It's called that because it transfers data twice per clock cycle. On both the rising and falling edges of the signal, that means double the speed without needing more power. Let's dive into how DDR RAM works step by step. The CPU sends a request to RAM for some data it needs. RAM finds the data in one of its memory cells and gets ready to send it to the CPU. A memory bus, kind of like a highway, carries the data from RAM to the CPU. Now here's the magic with DDR. While a normal memory module would send one chunk of data per cycle, DDR sends two. One when the signal goes up and another when it drops. That doubling of data, also called the data rate, happens thanks to the edges of the clock signal. By using both edges, DDR moves more data in the same amount of time, making it much faster. This way, the CPU gets the data it needs quickly, allowing it to keep working without delays. In simple terms, imagine you have a friend pass you a book. They give you half of it and then quickly take it back. That's like normal RAM. Now imagine they throw the other half at you while taking the first half back. That's DDR RAM. More data in the same amount of time. Pretty cool, okay. So DDR RAM is great. What else do you need to know? How about its generations? DDR technology has improved over the years. There's DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and the latest DDR5. Each generation is faster, uses less power, and has more bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be moved in a second. Here's a quick look at each generation. DDR1 was the basic version. It hit the scene around the year 2000, then came DDR2 in 2003. It was faster and used less power. Want to make your device faster? Well, upgrading to the latest DDR RAM might be a good idea. You can find this RAM in your computer's motherboard. It usually comes in small sticks. If you're not sure which one you have, check your motherboard's manual. And remember, the right DDR RAM can do wonders for your device. Now that you know how DDR RAM works, you'll understand why it's such a big deal. With faster RAM, your system loads games quicker, switches between apps instantly, and handles multitasking like a champ. It's a must for gamers, video editors, and anyone using demanding software. So next time you're shopping for components, don't overlook this tiny but powerful memory stick. Your device deserves it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this explanation useful. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Who knows? You might see a new video on your topic. Until next time, happy computing!